Hazrat Urwa reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told him, one night Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out at midnight. He performed a prayer in the mosque, and the people also performed the prayer in his lead. In the morning, the people disseminated this information, so more people than them gathered and performed prayer along with him. In the morning, the people disseminated this news, and on the third night, even more people than them gathered. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out, and the people performed prayer with him. When the fourth night came, the people could not be accommodated in the mosque till the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out to perform the morning prayer. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam pronounced tashahhud facing the people, then said, "To proceed, your presence was not hidden from me, but I fear lest it should be prescribed for you, and you might become incapable to perform it." Yunus corroborated him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 924.